take a video?
Yes.
Magnets on the back are small. I mean, not encased though, so they could probably be popped out. But lots of different colors. Got big case and lowercase, and they're in different colors too. That's actually cute. I think that's a B. R. So there's a big V and a little V. Some of them, I think they could have an extra magnet on the bottom, or like the X on another spot, just so it's double protected. Or the U, little U, so on the side, so that way you have enough strength on both sides. So, but lots of different colors, bright colors. So, but each color is, you know, bright, and the plastic is not too heavy. It looks like we have all the alphabet.